In the last 10 days, I've been able to generate $1,100 leveraging a simple method using my Facebook profile and instant pay programs. Now, the reason you're watching this video is because I've been with a lot of instant pay programs. I've made a lot of commissions with instant pay programs, but I've yet to find one that has everything that I'm looking for tied into one system. Okay, and now what I'm looking for is something that allows people to start no matter what budget. So maybe you have $20 to get started, right? Or maybe you have $1,000 to get started. Depending on where you want to get started, I want a product that has scalable levels, scalable different income levels that anybody can, maybe you want to start out low and you want to work your way up, or maybe you want to jump all in and, start making some big ticket commissions. All right, because at the end of the day, when you start earning big ticket commissions, that's when you're going to start earning commissions like this. As you guys see here, right, the average revenue per customer is around $121, $125. So what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video is I'm going to be sharing with you a simple system called the $25 1-up. Now, I recently just joined this system and I'm actually only a $25 member right now. And the reason I'm filming this video with you guys at the $25 level is because I want to show you guys the progression and I want to show you some of the value from just the $25 level alone. This is going to give you tons of actionable content that you can actually go out there and you can leverage your social media to start making commissions. Okay, so what I'm going to be going over here in this video, I'm going to break everything down for you, and then if you guys are watching, don't worry about the Press One Cash team training. Press One Cash is an amazing software that I actually use to generate leads, but this is the page that you're going to be watching right now, and it's simple and 2 steps. Okay, so step number 1, the video you're watching right now, this is where you're actually going to learn more about the $25 1-up. I'm going to go in depth into everything and show you, why I'm actually promoting this and why I took the time to set up a sales funnel for it and why I believe that you can actually start generating some cash flow with this business. And I'm actually going to be going all in here over the next couple days. So stay tuned for the updates on that when I go all in on that. So step number 2 is how you're going to copy the sales funnel. So it's very simple. It's a very simple 2-step process, and I want to keep this video very short. So let's jump right into it. Okay, you guys have seen that we can make money using instant pay programs, and linking this to your PayPal account or your Stripe account is very simple. You literally just need to go up into your profile, and then it's going to give you tons of different ways that you can link up your payment processors. So first things first, once you guys create your free account, okay, so if you click the button below this video, you're going to get redirected over to this page. Now at the very bottom right here, you're going to get redirected over here. Okay, so obviously you won't see this, but this is going to be the page you're going to get sent over. You're going to create your account, and then you're going to get logged into your back office. All right, so I'm just going to go up to the dashboard. So once you're in your back office, I want you to make sure that you watch this 5-minute video, which is going to go a little bit more in depth into what the system is and everything like that. Then I want you to get in where you fit in. All right, so the hosting and the gold level are highly recommended, and I would recommend everybody get started at least the platinum level. Now, why am I saying the platinum level? Because this is where you're actually going to get the Facebook training, which is going to allow you to engage or get more engagement on your posts. Okay, so this is the gentleman this is my sponsor right here, and what actually got my interest was once he started implementing the methods inside of this business, as you guys see here, he's got lots of engagement. But check this out. If I scroll just for a little bit, you can actually see that his engagement was never like this. Okay, so he's got 40, right? So you can slowly see that he's starting to implement the formula, and it's slowly starting to work. Okay, but if I scroll down here, before, his Facebook profile was pretty much dead. Okay, so check this out. One like, right? So check this out. Now watch this scroll. And now this is implementing the methods in the $100 program, which, like you guys see, I'm not actually qualified for just yet, because I'm actually waiting for a bunch of funds to land from my Stripe account into my bank account. So then I'm going to actually upgrade to the elite level, right? Because I want to go all in. I wanted to buy in. I wanted to see if the system was valuable. I wanted to see if the training was on par and was something that I would feel comfortable training or comfortable sharing. And I believe this is the missing key. This is the missing piece of the puzzle for anybody that's looking to make money, because leveraging my system, right, leveraging this page that you're on right now, you can freely go out there and promote this business. You can say, who wants to make $25 to $500 to $1,000 commissions, right? And you can just share my system. I'll do all the selling, I'll do all the telling, I'll do all of that stuff for you. All you guys have to do is get traffic, and that's what this system is. Okay, under gold, they're going to give you pre-written scripts, pre-written ads, right? So in the $25 level, you're going to get tons of pre-written ads. You're going to get cheat sheets for Facebook. You're going to get tons of different Facebook groups, right? They have a massive list of Facebook groups that are actually high converting. There's mindset training. There's so much value, and this is only the $25 product. Okay, inside of the platinum training, this is the $100 level. Okay, that's where you're going to get Facebook training. Now remember, this Facebook training, if we scroll through my friend John's page, right, check this out. As he starts to implement this formula, right, which I can't wait to get started with, I can't wait to start implementing this, but check this out. He goes to about 17 likes, and then we're just going to keep scrolling. Now he's at about 13. Okay, now he's at about 40. Now check this out. And then it's just going to keep jumping. So now he's at 40, and now he's starting to get massive traction. Okay, check this out. Now he's at 50 likes, right? 61 comments. So this is some amazing engagement, and this is all implementing this one simple formula. Okay, so imagine getting this amount of traffic on social media, leveraging this one simple formula. And that's why this system is going to be game changing for anybody that takes the time. Upgrade to the platinum level, that's the $100 level, and that's going to give you access to that Facebook training. So I'm actually going to be going through that training tomorrow, and I'll let you guys know. I'll do a Facebook or I'll actually do a YouTube review video, so you guys can check that out at the Six Figure Marketers Club on YouTube. Okay, so that's the platinum products. The diamond products, now the diamond products are going to be more advanced. Okay, so this is going to be your digital marketing lifestyle, your 10K blueprint, right? This is going to teach you some email marketing. Maybe you've started to build a brand and you're going to want to start to maybe sell some t-shirts and start to build your team, right? Tons and tons of different training inside of there, and that is the $250 level. Now the enterprise level, this is the $500 level. Now remember, all of these tiers, the diamond tier, the enterprise tier, they're all set up in a compensation plan of a 1-up. So your first sale, you're going to earn your commission, and your second sale is going to get passed up to your sponsor, and then every single sale from that point on for life is your commission. Okay, so inside of the enterprise, your $500 product, you're going to get some more mindset, because mindset is the key to success. If you're not daily growing your mind, you're never going to grow your income until you grow your mindset. Okay, so you're going to get modern video marketing, you're going to get taught how to create your own product. Now, product creation is an amazing source to get buyer leads onto your list. So product creation, once you start to learn and master some techniques and some methods, you definitely want to start creating your products. And that is something that, you know, like I said, as you guys start out, you're going to get the basics, and then you're going to get upgraded, right? As you upgrade, as you guys see fit, and get this more advanced training. Now, inside of the elite product, this is a brand new training. Okay, so this is going to pretty much give you your very own $25 one-up business. So from my knowledge, now, like I said, I'm brand new, so if any of this information is, you know, changed or anything like that, the system is, you know, updating consistently, but this is going to allow you to pretty much copy and set your own system up so that you can earn from all these different income streams. Okay, so there's tons and tons of earning potential inside of this business, which is amazing, and the training is game changing. Okay, the training is going to take you from a dead profile to a thriving profile, which is going to increase the amount of lead flow. Now, someone like me, you know, I don't get very many comments, right? I might get a couple likes here and there. So for me, I can produce a lot of content, and even with, you know, only 1 to 2 likes on my post, I'm still having consistent $200 days. So in my mind, I'm thinking, okay, when I go through this training, which I'm about to go through here after I finish filming this system for you guys, I wanted to make sure that I got this system out for you guys first. But once I go through this training, I start implementing the methods, right? That's when this stuff is starting to, you know, that's when things are going to start to multiply. As you guys see, it takes a little bit of time for the Facebook algorithm to start to kick into play. So you want to start taking consistent action, implementing the formulas, and that's why the $25 one-up business is something that I believe is going to not only be very profitable, leveraging my done-for-you system, but it's also going to allow you to get the knowledge that you need to be a successful marketer. Okay, that is one thing that people, you know, they're, oh, I don't want to sell a product that promotes another product, right? Well, how do you think these top tier marketers got to where they got to, right? Got to the levels that they're at. They got there by learning, right? And if you're not willing to invest into training products, if you're not willing to invest time into learning these methods, you're never going to scale your income. And one thing that I love about this is, if you guys have seen during this video, right, there's so many notifications of people upgrading, which is amazing to see. And they even have a live leaderboard, which I bet you guys, you will see me here very, very soon. Okay, so once you guys join, what I want you to do, I'm actually going to do this. I want you to go into your profile. All right, let me just go to my dashboard, and we're going to put Six Figure Marketers Club into our name. That way when we start dropping, when we start landing on leaderboards, we're actually going to pop up as a team. Okay, boom. Okay, so inside of my profile, just after my last name, what I did was I put SFMC, Six Figure Marketers Club. This is just kind of a cool little thing. So when we start landing on the leaderboard leveraging this system, people are going to see, okay, you know, Dylan DeFazio, Six Figure Marketers Club, right? So that's going to be pretty cool once we, you know, have this entire leaderboard filled with our team members. And I guarantee you, if you guys go through, if you watch the video below this and set your system up, and you guys all copy and you guys all implement and you all take action, right, we are all going to be on that leaderboard, and we are all going to be earning instant commissions. Okay, so go through, check that, or, you know, log into your system. Make sure, check out your sponsor's YouTube channel, right? If you guys are under me, you want to make sure you check out your sponsor's YouTube channel. I'm going to be uploading tons of training videos on there, and you can also go to the Six Figure Marketers Club on YouTube, and then just look for the $25 one-up team training playlist, and that's where I'm going to be uploading all of my team trainings. Every single video that I do, it does not matter anything like that, I always just upload them publicly to YouTube, right, so that everybody can get value from them and everybody can succeed. So thank you for tuning into this video. Go ahead, click that button below this video, create your $25 one-up account right now, and if you guys have any questions, feel free. There's a Got Questions tab right here, which is going to redirect you over to either my profile, Dylan DeFazio with the Six Figure Marketers Club, or it's going to redirect you over to your sponsors page. Okay, so go ahead, set that all up right now, and I'll see you guys inside of the next training, which is going to walk you through how to set up your sales funnel. All right, guys, go ahead, and I'll see you guys in that training.